po saan nagsimula ang CCTV.
CCTV?
Opo. Dito lang po sa Las Casas ninyo malalaman kung saan nagsimula. CCTV.
Ba't nakatalikod ka dyan?
Ayan, kasalubong
Wala
at
akong
kasabi niyan. Ito na po. Okay na po, bababa na po.
Bababa na tayo.
Ayan, kasabi niyan po, dito na po tayo para sa work.
I know, it's just like that. See, just like this, see? Look.
They call that suliya.
No such thing as cushion.
Ano siya ma'am? Pagka guess, okay po, 1,500. Pero ibabalik ko yung pagkabalik mo. Ano? Tapos, mag-present ko tayo ng driver's license. Sama ko dyan. Sige, daw.
Madali 750.
Apo, parang ano lang po siya, bump car. 3 minutes po, magsisimula na po yung car natin. And then, pa-register na lang po tayo, madam. Isang pangalan lang po.
With the captain of the civil guards. Sige po, picture lang po kayo.
Joke, multuhin ka yan kagabi. Mamayang gabi.
Don't have to see the servants and they're bringing you food.
Ito pala disadvantage pag turning mo. Ang dilim.
So overall po, he has 21 children and
Sipag gumawa.
Yes. So when the house transferred here, it became the private house of Mr. Acuzar. This is the house where they stay whenever they visit the resort. Okay? And then for the next house that we're going to enter is that big house over there. Our Casa Quiapo from Hidalgo Street, Quiapo, Manila. Deserve ko tayo.
Galing nila.
Yes, but the one here.
Sabi ng office ko that kung sa DSS, you can have the lens feeling every so often. Ay, hindi. Hindi, na-open na yun. Kasi di ko yung and remember that.
So this is the next house that we are going to enter. Dito po hindi. We're not going to remove our shoes here because we're going to enter the ground floor.
Ay, ito yung ano, UP.
Sige po, so we'll just wait for them.
Because I think some of those are
Dito po tayo. Sige pa, i-move mo dito ng konti. Ayan. I-move mo ng konti. Sige po, dito po tayo. Okay, so for the next house that we're going to enter is our house here. This is our Casa Quiapo from Hidalgo Street, Quiapo, Manila. And this house was built in 1867 in the ownership of Don Rafael Enriquez. So as we can see, it has a seal of University of the Philippines because from 1908 to 1926, this house, it became the School of UP, School of Fine Arts. And when UP transferred in Padre Faro Street year 1927, this house had a house. In English, we call them canopy. In Spanish, we call them media agua. So they put those media agua to protect the house from heavy rain and sunlight.
Ay,
And
canopy,
because of the transfer
media
here,
agua.
it became one of our house for
That one there.
bedrooms.
That's media
Our
agua.
house here,
That red
near
thing there above
us,
the
this is our
window.
Casa Maykawayan from Maykawayan, Bulacan. It is also one of our house for rent
Wait, I
here
can't.
that has
Go ahead.
5 bedrooms. So most of the houses here po, they became house
E.T.
for rent. Some of them they became restaurants and okay? And then for the next house that we're going to
Eh yun, joke.
is
Kaya
that
mo yan?
one
Ito?
is
Ito?
No, meron na ako eh.
Casa Lubao from Lubao, Pampanga. So let's move to our next house.
It's also for the ones that are available for lodging. Oh, for lodging. You cannot go in. Ang cute. May picture kaming ganyan ni Rachel dun sa ano, yung may naglalaro na bata. Talaga?
Yeah, wala lang mobile dito. Wala lang mobile. Gusto mo kung may wife? Ah, okay, meron.
Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Saka miling, di ba ganyan?
Dito po tayo. Okay, so for the next house that we're going to enter po is our house here. This is our Casa Lubao from Lubao, Pampanga. And this house was built in 1920. It also has a shed. At the ground floor, we have a sari-sari store, clinic, pharmacy, catering shop. While the second floor, it became movie house before. So when Casa Candaba transferred here, it became one of our museum. At the ground floor, we have an art exhibits about Bataan Death March. In the second floor naman po, we have photo exhibits about different churches around the Philippines. So anytime we can visit this house, I'm from 5 in the afternoon. And then tomorrow in the morning, it will open at 9 in the morning. And then our next house po is that house at your back. That is our Casa Unisan from Unisan, Quezon. And this house was built in 1839 in the ownership of Don Antonio Maximo. And then before this house, it has a secret passage that was once used by the Maxino family to escape from the top of the bandits. But unfortunately, the bandits found their secret passage and the family got massacred. So they got killed. And in this tragic event that happened with the family, there's still one survivor. Her name is Carmen Maxino because during that time, she was just a little child and she was hid by her nanny in a wooden basket and covered some used clothes. That's why she survived. So when the house transferred here, it became our Filipino restaurant. We named it Kusina ni Nanay Maria. Maria because it was named after the mother of Mr. Acuzar. And as of today po, closed po siya. Okay, so our open restaurant today is our Italian restaurant and our western cuisine located in our main reception. So find the way for a while here. Nalobat lang po yung namaya. Saglit lang po. Magpapalitan po. Lang po. Yes po. Even isang room lang po yung So before the side servants are just allowed to walk here at this side, while the in-house servant stays there in the middle part of the house. Okay? So there in the middle part of the house, ulitin ko lang din po, we have antique collections here, like vintage electric fan, ito po, vintage electric fan, Singer sewing machine, typewriters, and then here we have some headbands of our national heroes, like Dr. Jose Rizal, Apolinario Mabini, Marcelo H. Del Pilar, Andres Bonifacio, General Pilon, and at the back of Marcelo H. Del Pilar is House Speaker Quintin Paredes po. Okay? And then, let's proceed in the other part of the house.
Kaya pala ang
Okay, patuloy po tayo. Dito naman po we have feature collections. Okay, patuloy po sila. So if you notice before, in the picture of our grandmas and grandpas, they are not smiling in their picture. They look very serious. Ayan, kasi po pala, way back 1700s, we Filipinos, we are very conservative. Because during that time, when you smile during your photo shoot, it's like it's a sign of seducing. It's like you're flirting to someone. And then we started to smile in our pictures way back 1900s, which is American era already. Okay? And then let's proceed there in the other part of the house. Sa may kabilang side po, we have more antique collections.
Pwede ako po. Pagod na ako. Nakita ko na yun. Yan yung mga utensils. Upo na lang muna ako. Tingin ko na lang kayo.
Those are the like 900. These are like
I like that aparador. The glass and keystone. Those are creepy looking pictures.
And for our last house po are those houses that are made from woods. Those are the Casa Cagayan from Cagayan Valley. That's the house of the ordinary Filipinas before, because during that time stones are expensive than woods. And as we can see, they're elevated because before they are usually constructed near the river. And during that time, the front of those houses, they have spaces between the blocks that we call siwang. So yung siwang po is your better ventilation of the house. And most of the time, we open the house, there is that overflow the siwang, servers food for livestock like chickens and cows. Okay? So when Casa Cagayan house is transferred here, they became the residence of our in-house artist here in Las Casas. So since that is our last episode, this is the end of our tour. But before we finish our tour, I would like to share a saying that was shared by Mr. Acuzar po. May datingan puso pag pinagsama-sama, gumaganda pag ito po ay nabibihisan, ngunit pumapangit naman pag ito po ay napapabayaan. Ang bawat bahay po natin dito sa Las Casas ay may damdamin at karakter, may pera sa bulok sa pagkalinga sa ating kalikasan at kapaligiran. So once again po, I am Elvie, your tour guide for today, and this is Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, our purpose and hope for the future. Thank you very much po, and I hope you enjoyed our tour. Happy New Year po to everyone. And kindly wait for a while here. I'll just get some cold towels for you.
Look at the bats. They're hiding underneath the light. And this is the view of Hotel de Oriente in the compound of Las Casas de Acuzar at night. And over here, my relatives are trying to get some puto bongbong for themselves. You know what? It's a rainy day. We're now at the end of our tour. We just had our tour, and now we're heading for some snacks in the snack bar. They sell sagot gulaman, pineapple juice, and some puto bongbong. Sarado na?
Hindi pa naman po.
Magkano yung puto bongbong?
110 po siya.
Ay, ano to? Ano to?
Saba cake po.
110.
Opo.
Anong drinks niya? May soft drinks kayo?
Check ko lang po kung sinabi na.
Coke or Sprite?
Ano yun?
Ano, sagot gulaman tsaka...
Gulaman po, tsaka meron po yun.
Ano yung isa?
Sagot gulaman, tapos meron po.
Melon. 110 daw puto bongbong. Pwede pa ang puto bongbong?
Tsaka royal po yung...
Pang puto bongbong.